I get a lot of requests, emails, DMs, or sometimes comments on my YouTube videos where people want me to almost solve a problem for them. And they may detail exactly or kind of explain what their issue is. And it might have been an issue with one of my videos or code or something I gave. But anyway, they're going to kind of detail out what they want to achieve. And 9 times out of 10, I will try and answer it if I've got a ready-made solution. Like I've already got a video where it's going to take me a couple of lines to explain what they need to do. But sometimes I do ignore and I don't even reply because they're asking me to invest a lot of my time to find a solution for them. This is actually a similar problem to what a lot of you will experience with people that are maybe following you or chatting with you on forums or social media, and most likely clients as well. They want to know, how can I do X, Y, and Z? And there comes a point when you have to pull back and say, I can't keep providing for free. I can't keep telling you how to design a logo or write your content or design a website, or how to link this plugin to that plugin to make this custom field interact with this form and this off canvas. There comes a point where I have to go, my time is kind of protected. And if I gave you the same treat, if I gave every request that I get through the door the same amount of my time, I would never get anything done. I get close to 120 notifications. And when I say notifications, I don't mean notifications. We all get notifications. I mean requests, questions that are specifically coming over to me, not just in emails, DMs, whatnot, all of that. And I have to stop. But you're going to have that same problem where you're going to have a client or someone who they might want a website, they might not. Or maybe they are inquiring about a quote. And then you give them a price and they go, okay, but what if I wanted to do X, Y, Z? And you think, hey, I'm going to win this job. So you start reeling out free advice for them. This is what you need to do for your marketing. This is what you need to do for SEO. This is what you need to do for your content. And have you thought about ABC, X, Y, Z? Before you know it, they take that and they run off, or they don't even thank you for it. So I love it that a lot of you watch my videos. I love it that you're part of the Web Squadron Facebook group. I love it that you comment and add ideas and you criticize or positively, negatively, whatnot. I don't mind. I like to read and see what your views are. But don't be surprised if me and many others don't decide to take further your problem and give you a bulletproof step-by-step answer. Unless you're going to pay for a one-to-one consultation, we have to start protecting our time. And that's my advice to a lot of you. Be helpful. You know, it's always good if we can pass on our skills and mentor others, but always remember you have a limited amount of time. And unless income and earning and growing and evolving and scaling up does not matter to you, you've got all the time in the world, then you can go and do that. But if not, start looking after yourself and what you do, because otherwise you will just be forever passing out free advice and eventually people expect. And it's about time that sometimes people started to respect as well. See you soon.